It is day number 105 of the self-quarantine today here in Los Angeles. There was a huge plea coming from the Los Angeles City Hall. Basically, the Los Angeles mayor is urging all Angelenos to please stay at home during this pandemic. He is stressing it that please do not go outside unless it's very important or it's necessary. The reason why is because of the recent spike of COVID-19 cases that have been occurring in Los Angeles for the last couple of days. And his words are also being echoed by the Los Angeles County officials. They've also said that they have the data to back up that they see an increase of COVID-19 hospitalizations all over the city. And furthermore, the Los Angeles Health Director warns if people and businesses do not follow safety orders or the coronavirus protocols that have been in place by the local state and local government, it could slow or even reverse the move to reopen the economy. So that means that if all the businesses that have been opening slowly for the last couple of weeks do not follow suit of these COVID-19 protocols or safety orders, then we can possibly see the end of those businesses of being opened. So they're going to shut everything down and we're going to go back to square one, meaning that only the essential businesses will be allowed to open. For example, like grocery stores, hospitals, just to name a few. So we're back to the first weeks of this pandemic where nothing was open and only a few stores were available. So that's what they're warning. The reason why is because people are not following social distancing, they're not wearing a mask, people are going in huge groups, people are going to other people's houses. It's just the spread of the COVID-19 is just going out of control and people are not doing their best to combat COVID-19. And furthermore, the governor of California also ordered that all of the counties in California, all the public and county leaders or officials have the authority to see if those businesses or that population, if they're not following the orders to prevent COVID-19, the guidelines that they had in place, then they have every right to shut everything down. And also, the governor of California has said that there has been a surge of California COVID-19 cases, driven part by the rising infections among the younger population. So over half of the people who have been tested positive of COVID-19 were between the ages of 18 and 49. And that was by a study by the California Department of Public Health. And they have the data to back that up. And regarding the coronavirus here in Los Angeles, going back to my city, the number of cases has risen to over 93,000 people that have been tested positive of COVID-19 so far. And that tells you the number that it's been spiking out of control. And the second thing is that the number of deaths has risen to over 3,200. Again, the Los Angeles mayor, all of the medical scientists here in Los Angeles are urging every Angeleno to wear a mask, social distancing, but the most important thing is to stay at home. Stay at home unless it's very, very important to go out. Like, for example, to get medicine, to get food, or any other necessities. But other than that, that's the only way that we're going to fight and beat this virus. Because if people ignore it, if people are not paying attention, then we're going to see a rise of COVID-19 spikes of biblical proportions. And it's not to scare anyone, but that is fact. That's what we're seeing, not just in Los Angeles, but all over the United States. We've been seeing a surge of COVID-19 cases because people have been very lenient and they're not putting people in check that they're following the orders. So I'm going to do my best to stay at home, to follow the protocol, wear my face mask, disinfect my area, and do everything possible to fight this COVID-19 and making sure that I don't infect my loved ones around where I live. That's all we can do. That's what we have to do. There is no political issue here. It's not political. It's science. And science says that we have to do a better job, and science says that if we do these things, we have a fighting chance. So that is it for today's video. So everyone, stay strong, stay safe.